Hello, welcome to a studio vlog. Happy Saturday. I did it again. I feel like this is just the way things go at this point. I have a lot of things that I've started that I have not finished, and we need to start packing up the house, like, next week, which means I need to finish everything and start packing shit up. But I don't want to start packing shit up. I want to start getting rid of stuff and like using it all up. Can you hear the dogs barking? It's fine. Anyways, so I have some really cute little pins that I've started. I've also started painting them. So there's those. I've started some bags. I've started some keychains. What else have I started? I've started some paintings. I want to finish my paintings. I want to upload my paintings to be sold. Why are they all barking? What are you doing? What? That is my plan for this weekend. I'm gonna get my website set up. I'm gonna get stuff to sell posted on my website, and yeah. And if you enjoy this video and want some more getting shit done, packing up, moving vlogs, whatever, go check out my other channel as well, because that is my vlog channel, and it's where I do just like my daily normal life in between all of my art. So I don't know where to start. I gotta make a list. I need a list of all the shit I gotta do. Okay. Packing to-do list. To studio. Okay, so that's my to-do for the studio. So I've got my to-do list. I know what I need to get done. I think what I want to do is clear off my table and get my fabrics prepped. Once those are prepped and I know what I can do with what, I can figure out what I'm going to keep and what I'm just going to get rid of. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So I'll prep all my fabrics. I've been using stuff like supplies from Goodwill as my fabric for my tote bags, along with all my scrap fabrics. So I have some like sheets and some old curtains, some old placemats, stuff like that that I've been using to make stuff. I think I need to get my chair out of here because there's just not enough space for my chair to be in here. Do I want to turn the table? Oh, I don't know. This is such a small space. Okay. Clean up all this, get out of the way so I can focus. Oh, my plant came back to life. I finally watered it. Yesterday it was like gray and now it's back to green. I don't even understand. I don't have my mic right now, so sorry about the audio, but within the last like 4 hours, I've caught a cold. I don't even understand. I went downstairs. I had some food. I started coughing. And the cough hasn't gone away. It's been like 4 hours, and now my throat is sore. Like, I had to make myself tea. I've used my inhaler, and it's just a random cough that won't go away. I don't understand. And like, you can hear it in my voice right now, and my throat hurts so much. And I've been drinking water. I've been drinking stuff, and I don't understand how I got sick in like 4 hours. I don't understand at all, but here we are. So, got these cut, got those sewn, and they still need to be ironed. But now I'm gonna sew these all together, make the bags, and we'll see where we are after that.
Maybe. Well, maybe an entrance? That part of the confirmation? I don't know. If it is some kind of a portal or an entrance, like
every single Sunday. Except for last week. Also, if you guys can, please make sure you hit the like button on this video, because that will let us know that you do enjoy.
It's Sunday. Yeah, it's Sunday. I'm dressed. Got coffee number 2. It's like 9 a.m. I'm so tired. Painters are here. So I will be locked in my studio all day. Yeah. We're gonna get shit done. I didn't even get like one thing done on my to-do list yesterday. Sewing takes so long. Anyways, so I'm gonna finish sewing, get rid of all my fabric, because that's like the big thing in here is all my fabric. And I was up all night with my cough. So wish me luck.